Some places keep their secrets close, hidden beneath layers of mist and time, waiting patiently for the right soul to wander in. They reveal their magic only to those who truly listen, to the hush of the wind, the rustle of ancient trees, and the stories whispered by the land itself. Montenegro is one of these rare places, a land where every view feels like a secret shared just with you. Tucked in the heart of the Balkans, its name, Black Mountain, hints at a dramatic, rugged soul, shaped by centuries of wind, water, and legend. For years, it's been a quiet neighbor on the Adriatic, overshadowed by flashier destinations, its beauty known mostly to those who seek the road less traveled. But the quietest places often have the most to say, their stories echoing in the silence, waiting for curious hearts to listen. Here, life moves at its own pace, unhurried, authentic, and deeply connected to the rhythms of nature and tradition. In Montenegro, sapphire waters meet towering peaks, and every day feels like a new adventure, whether you're hiking ancient trails or drifting along the coast. Though small in size, Montenegro contains entire worlds. Mountains that touch the clouds, coastlines that shimmer in the sun, and villages where time seems to stand still. You can wake to pine-scented air in the mountains, the world hushed and peaceful, as if nature itself is holding its breath. And as night falls, you can fall asleep to the gentle rhythm of waves on an ancient shore, surrounded by echoes of history and the promise of tomorrow. This is not just a destination, it's an invitation to explore, to discover, and to be enchanted by a land where every path leads to wonder. Let's begin our journey through Montenegro, a land where every turn reveals a new wonder, and every moment is a story waiting to be told. To truly understand Montenegro, you must begin with its mountains, the country's backbone, its namesake, and the silent guardians of its history. These ancient peaks have shaped not only the land, but also the spirit of the people who call this place home. Our journey takes us inland, deep into the heart of Dermitor National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a realm of jagged peaks, rolling wildflower meadows, and untamed beauty that feels almost otherworldly. Here, nature's artistry is on full display, with every mountain and meadow telling a story of resilience and wonder. Scattered among these peaks are glacial lakes, known locally as mountain eyes. Their waters shimmer with an unreal clarity, reflecting the sky and the surrounding wilderness like polished emeralds set in stone. The most famous of these is Black Lake, a breathtaking mirror that captures the dense forests and sheer stone cliffs around it. Its surface changes with the light, shifting from deep blue to vibrant green, always inviting you to pause and reflect. Standing on its tranquil shore, you feel a profound peace, a sense of timelessness, as if the world has slowed to let you breathe in the mountain air and listen to the quiet. But Dermitor holds more wonders. It is also home to the Tara River Canyon, the deepest gorge in Europe. Over countless millennia, the turquoise waters of the Tara have carved a dramatic chasm through the mountains, creating a landscape both wild and awe-inspiring. To gaze into its depths is to witness nature's raw power and the relentless passage of time, etched into every curve and cliff. This land calls to adventurers and dreamers alike. Hike through ancient forests where legends linger, or feel the rush of whitewater rafting down the Tara's wild rapids, or simply pause to watch eagles soar overhead, riding the mountain winds, a symbol of freedom and the untamed spirit of Montenegro. The mountains are Montenegro's heart, sheltering its people, inspiring ancient legends, and offering sanctuary for the soul. Villages nestle in their folds, where traditions endure and stories are passed down through generations. These peaks are not just a backdrop, but the very essence of this wild and beautiful country, a living presence that shapes every life and every journey. To explore them is to connect with Montenegro's indomitable spirit, to walk in the footsteps of those who have found meaning and adventure here for centuries. Every vista, every sweeping view of lakes and peaks is a reminder of nature's artistry and the enduring power of the wild. The mountains invite you to lose yourself and, in their quiet majesty, to find yourself anew. Descending from the highlands, the landscape unfolds before us in a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. The air grows fresher, scented with pine and sea. As we wind our way down toward the shimmering waters below, we reach the Bay of Kotor, a masterpiece shaped by both nature and centuries of human history. Here, the morning mist drifts over the water, revealing ancient towns nestled along the shore. Steep, rugged mountains plunge dramatically into deep blue waters, creating a scene that feels almost otherworldly, as if plucked from the pages of a fairy tale. The bay winds gracefully past ancient stone towns and floating islands, each one holding its own unique story, legends and traditions passed down through generations. At its heart lies Kotor, a medieval town where cobbled streets twist through sunny piazzas and hidden courtyards. Every corner invites you to explore, revealing centuries-old churches, lively cafes, and the echoes of history in every stone. Climb the ancient fortress steps for a breathtaking panorama. Red-tiled roofs, shimmering blue water, and towering mountains all in perfect harmony. The view is a reward for every step, offering a glimpse into the soul of Montenegro. Take a boat across the bay to Perast, a charming town lined with Baroque palaces, and to the islets, one natural, the other built stone by sailors over centuries, each with its own fascinating tale. Our Lady of the Rock stands proudly on its island, a testament to faith, hope, and the enduring spirit of community. Pilgrims and travelers alike come to marvel at its beauty and the legends that surround it. The Bay of Kotor is a place where nature and history intertwine seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that feels both timeless and magical. Every corner, every view, offers something unforgettable, whether it's the golden light at sunset or the tranquil mornings by the water. Here, Montenegro's soul shines brightest, inviting all who visit to become part of its living story. Beyond Kotor, Montenegro's spirit lives in its villages, guardians of tradition and simplicity. In Yegushi, perched on Mount Lovchen, we tasted famed smoked ham and cheese, crafted by generations. Sharing a meal here is to taste Montenegro's soul. Down by Lake Kotor, the pace slows. In Rijeka Krnojevica, fishermen mend nets as time stands still. We glided through lily-covered channels, spotting rare birds in one of Europe's richest reserves. Our boatmen shared legends of the lake and its hidden monasteries. These villages, whether in mountains or by water, keep Montenegro's story alive. They offer a glimpse into a world of authenticity and warmth. To know Montenegro, sit at its table. Mountain fare is hearty. Slow-cooked lamb, creamy polenta, and cheeses from high pastures. On the coast, fresh fish is grilled with olive oil and herbs, served with sun-ripened tomatoes and blitva. Meals are simple, generous, and made with love. Montenegro's culture is a vibrant tapestry, music, dance, and epic poetry shaped by resilience and pride. We witnessed a festival villagers in embroidered costumes dance stories of heroism and love. Hospitality, or gostoprimstvo, is Montenegro's greatest tradition. Everywhere, we were welcomed as honored guests, sharing food and stories. This warmth transforms a trip into an unforgettable experience. In Montenegro, every meal and every encounter is a celebration of life. At Montenegro's southern tip, the landscape softens and cultures blend. Olsztyn, with its Ottoman echoes and pirate legends, feels like a crossroads of east and west. The old town perches above the sea, its alleys whispering stories of centuries past. Just south lies Velika Plaža, 13 kilometers of wild, wind-swept sand, a paradise for kitesurfers. At its end, Ada Bojana emerges, a tranquil river island nature park and bohemian haven. Rustic fish restaurants on stilts serve the day's catch, as the sun sets over water and reeds. Here, rare birds nest and time slows to a gentle rhythm. It's a place of freedom, beauty, and serenity. In Olsztyn and Ada Bojana, you find Montenegro's most unexpected magic. As our journey ends, Montenegro lingers, a feeling, an experience, a story etched in memory. It's awe at the Tara Canyon, peace on Lake Kotor, and joy in a mountain meal. This land of contrasts quietly captures your heart. Beyond the familiar, Montenegro invites you to wander, taste, and connect. Let it surprise and inspire you. Its beauty, its soul, its people. The memories you make here will last a lifetime. If these stories have sparked your curiosity, join us in celebrating the world's hidden wonders. Thank you for exploring Montenegro with us.